Good thing about leaving the door in place and shut, doing one at a time, and you couldn't do that one down there without taking the bumper off, the paint marks will give you an idea of where it's meant to be. And as you can see, pretty much there. So let's carry on. All in, all tightened up, and pretty much in the same orientation as it was, in the same position rather. I'll probably need some adjustment this end. We look in there. Can you see that? And down the bottom there. Yeah, because that was adjusted with the loose door hinge. All told, that's not bad. As for this damn thing, really winds me up. Get to that later. Here we are again on the RAV4. Another door hinge, this time on the back door. Bit of a faff, get the light out. As you can see, to get the light out, you've got to take a lot of the inside out. Never mind, they'll be done. Then there was a problem getting the hinge out. Very loose, very rattly. Wouldn't come out. So what you have to do, I can't do it one-handed, so I'll drop that on the floor for a second. Grab your little tool, without dropping it. Pop him in there and prise it forward just enough, as you can see, with the bottom one still done up. That's just enough to get the new one in. Right, I'm going to put you down. I'll back in a minute and show you it in place. I'll show you it trying to get in first of all. Here we go. You see, it won't go past the door and the frame. So what you do with the tool, you can probably do this with one hand. Prise it like so, and in she goes. Right, let's get it bolted in place.